How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here with another Trias update, and we have finally come down and tested that 20 moving average. This is something that we suggested ever since this reclaim of the $12.30 area, targeting the double bottom actual target, as well as the previous support now as resistance and the golden pocket. So multiple reasons for why we topped out over here, and expected a pullback towards $12.30. As we can see, when we entered this range, we topped out right over there, and then the lowest point after this, boom, down there, $12.30. So if we want to continue bullish, if I quickly get rid of these fibs, we can see that when we caught support on $12.30, it's on the 1272. And if we want to continue to the 1618 at $26, we need to hold the 1272. And then unfortunately, we went ahead and lost that. So for me, it became quite simple. We're coming down to the 55. That was in line with $10, a psychological level. So even more confluence there, just further confirmation that this is a key level of support. We expect at least a reaction. And then, of course, it reclaimed the moving averages as well as $12.30. So that's why since this target has been met, we've been calling for the pullback towards the 20 moving average, and as long as we are above $12.30 and the 1272, then we will continue to the 1618, our $26 target that we've been talking about for the last few weeks, maybe even over a month now. And so if we were to go from where we are today to the technical target, this would be a 100% move. So yeah, prepare for that in whatever way you want to. Equally realize that if we lose the 1272, usually I'd say we are going towards the 1 fib level down at 7, but there are actually other supports before that 1 fib level at $7. So of course we got the 55 nicely in line with our neckline over here, which was $11.12, 13 cents. So that would actually give us, just as last time, an opportunity to reclaim the 20. Whether it takes it or not, we need to wait and see. And that's only if we lose $12.30, then we'd be coming down to that support. That should have, of course, prop you up in the uptrend, as we have done last time, so should continue higher. But if we are truly bullish, we're creating this inverse head and shoulders pattern, one shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. And we want to hold the left shoulders low. It's also the 1272, and if we want to get to the 1618, you need to hold the 1272. So everything is pointing at this location. But yes, as we created a support level down at $10 here, and the wick being at $9.28, do you remember that? That was quite cool what we did over there. Even though on this day over here we were losing the 55, I was saying don't worry, as long as we hold $9.28, we'll actually reverse. And then we got that reversal, double bottom breakout, targeted at, given for free, pulled back exactly as predicted. Now let's get that final move up to push through this level of resistance that validates a pattern taking us to $22, and of course that's well on its way to the 1618. So we know we would continue to there. And of course, our all-time high coming very soon after, $32. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think we will actually break beneath the 1272, deviating from these targets? Or do you think we can now reverse from this area? You know, maybe we do dip our toe underneath $12.30, but again, $9.28 needs to hold. So it could be that this is a giant area of support, just like this, and we just dipped into it, breaking back out, confirming the outsider support again, looking for the continuation higher. Even if we go back into it, as long as we maintain that low that we created at 928, then we will have another chance at breaking out bullish. So like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hopefully very soon we can be up there. And yeah, that's actually all dependent on Bitcoin. So we really need Bitcoin to wake up. It's also got an inverse head and shoulders too. So yeah, more updates to come.